guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, part-time seller on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark.
And today's video is a video about pants. That can't be surprising on this channel at all. I don't think.
No, we talk about pants a lot, yeah. And half of our 100% sell-through video was pants.
Yeah.
So
we've got a lot of comments, a lot of messages on Instagram, all different types of things about people asking, like, how are you selling pants? Like, a lot of people telling us they skip the pants category altogether. Don't do that.
Oh, no, you're missing money. It's free money.
Yeah, so we decided to put together a list of ways that you can crush the pants category. So, if you like reseller content, if you like what sold videos, haul videos, unboxings, all that type of stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you're notified every time we post new videos. Post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this type of content. We're always looking to know what you are looking for when it comes to these videos. And comment down below. Let me know how you do with pants. I'm curious if I really am the only one that loves pants. I don't even know if I skip that section ever.
I mean, sometimes you're not in the mood, but we still do it.
Yeah, there are times that I'm like, oh, I'm pantsed out. But then a pants sale comes through and I'm like, no, I'm not. Just kidding. So... Yeah.
Sometimes when we're in the store.
Yes. So, anyways, I know you guys love to know what is selling and how it sells. So, I hope this helps you. I hope this gives you another category to add to your business.
All right. What's the first one?
Okay. So, we did write down a little list here. So, if I'm looking down, I'm sorry. I still haven't figured out how to put it near me. But one day. So, the first one on the list is style. So, I think this is probably the most important. Would you say?
Brand, then style, but yes.
Okay. Well, I guess he's giving you spoilers, but yeah, so style. So a lot of times when you think of the pants category, you're thinking of trousers, dress pants, things like that. And I'm not saying, well, I'm not saying that because we've sold St. John's of those. We've sold Brunello Cucinelli, different things like that. Still willing to do that. I'm still willing to do that. But generally speaking, I will leave the dress pants or trousers behind. So you're probably like, well, what the heck are you buying then? What we're buying is comfort, casual, activewear, I guess is the word. So you're looking at sweatpants. You're looking at leggings that were miscategorized into pants section.
Dress leggings.
All of them.
The ones that look like jeans or dress pants, but they're leggings, those are the ones.
Yes. You want elastic waistbands. You want drawstrings. You want wide leg. Anything you would kind of hang around the house in, but also if you had to answer the door, you don't feel like you're in your pajamas. That's the vibe you're feeling.
Yes. Yeah, all of them.
Okay. So this is really, really important. And I think maybe, the pandemic, the world that we're in right now may have kind of added to that. But I do think it's also probably a new norm because a lot of people are going hybrid with their works, if not fully staying at home.
Fingers crossed for me.
Yeah, exactly. So you're looking at people that are looking to be comfortable while still being presentable in a sense. So this is a really good category and people are buying it. It's going fast. So comfort, casual, activewear, pull-on, elastic waistband, that's what you need. So starting there, if you're looking for them, that's what you want to pull out first before you look at anything else. Okay. Then
moving on to my most important is going to be brand.
Okay.
I mean, brand is going to be a no-brainer.
And what brands do you look at when you look in the pants category?
Bidren, Spanx, Athleta, sells fine, Zara, J.Jill, depending on the piece.
Yes. So, brands are going to be really important. Those are a few of the good ones. Another one that I will mention is Eileen Fisher. A lot of people will say that she doesn't sell as well. However, eBay, she's coming in hot. I'm telling you, she's doing well. So those type of brands are really good. Spanx and Beta Brand really probably should be in the activewear or leggings category, but they're always miscategorized very often. Recently, I think you found Spanx in the pants category and they were faux leather. Yeah. They sold in a few days for $80. So that alone made the whole trip worth it. So
it's 100%. They're misplaced in the stores all of the time. And while they probably don't belong in the pants category, they're there.
Yeah, exactly. So make sure that you're looking for those brands. I'm sure there are other brands too, but those are the top ones. And because we kind of listed them off kind of quickly, I'm going to try to list them in the description as well, just so you guys have an idea and you can take that list with you. So I think that those are really important. I won't say that no other brands are going to be valuable to you, but those are our top ones. Okay, so going into brand, price point is also important. So because this is a skipped category, very, very, very often we find that the pants section is way underpriced. I mean, I'm talking $2-3 for Athleta pants, Eileen Fisher. I think what happens is they look at them and they think, ugh, it's nothing important, it's not a big deal, it's a pant, we don't sell pants, and they price them low. The other thing is, even if your store doesn't price them low, very often you're going to find those half-off tags, or if you have dollar days, those might be there because people are skipping this category, so they're missing the items and they're sitting for longer. So your price point, generally speaking, is going to be much lower in the pants category. So make sure that you're looking for that. I always like to keep my pants below my $5 point, so I'm looking at $3 to $4 is what I like to spend on pants, and flipping them for my low end around $20, and then obviously Spanx $80. So
I mean, or depending on what it is, you can get some seriously good money and quick, and you're in for a couple bucks.
Exactly. So,
and who is not okay with wasting a few bucks? Like if you're gonna make a mistake, it's better to make a mistake on $3 than it is for $30. So
exactly. So that is a really good thing to keep in mind if you're trying to keep your average price point low. Okay, next thing.
Yeah.
You wanna?
As materials.
Yes. So
stretchy, comfy clothes, sweatpants, great. Cotton, nylon, bamboo, linen, all of the linen.
Yes, linen is really good.
All of the linen.
We find Eileen Fisher has a lot of linen. J. Jill has a lot of linen. Prada sometimes has linen, although recently I got hemp pants from them. So they're newly listed. They're still up if you want to check them out. But those type of things I'm always looking for, because sustainable materials people really are looking for and they want. So definitely be checking for that. And I kind of have gotten to the point of feeling for linen, but make sure you're looking. We also got satin pants recently for St. John.
Satin St. John's pants.
Yeah, satin, silk as well. Those are all going to do really well for you. So make sure that you're checking those material tags, because the better the material, the better the price.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah. I mean, silk is silk.
Oh, it feels so good. So amazing. Okay. And then the last thing, and this one's minor, but I still think it's important to note, especially because Poshmark released a new feature recently where you can add style tags to your listings. So keywords. With this type of clothing, the big keywords that you're looking at is athleisure, lounge, and casual. So
comfy.
I use comfy sometimes. But make sure that you're adding those to your listing, because a lot of times people are typing in like lounge pants or athleisure pants or whatever they're looking for, and you want these to pop up. So make sure that you're using those keywords. That's going to pop up for SEO for you, for Google, eBay, whatever the case may be. So make sure you're using them.
Yeah, I mean, if you do that, you should start selling way more pants, because it's not that hard.
So yeah, so pants is one of our favorite categories, and I'm hoping that some of these tips will help you sell some more pants. And if you do other things, if there's other things you're looking for, that kind of stuff, let us know, because I'm curious, what everybody's experience is with pants. Everyone I talk to doesn't sell them, and it kind of makes me feel bad for the pants. They're all alone in the store.
No, they're not alone when we find them.
No, we give them new homes.
We will save them. We will save all of the pants.
But that is it. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. Make sure that you let me know. Let me know how you're doing with the pants category, and come back soon, because we'll be back with a new video.
Thank you all for watching.